Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today we're gonna be doing a Unicorn Cosmetics mystery box unboxing. So stay tuned. I have never really heard of Unicorn Cosmetics, and so I saw on Instagram some people that were using some things and it looked pretty cool. Now, I love when sites have mystery boxes, especially if I've never tried the brand before, because then you get a little bit of everything. So I have two boxes and I'm going to go over everything. I'm going to show you guys everything that's in them, and then I will let you know, or try to let you know, how much the products are down in my description below. So let's hop right into it. So let's do the smaller box first. I already kind of opened it just to make it easier on camera, but this is what it looks like, and we're gonna open it and see all the things that we got in here. Right off the bat, I see this. So this is a brush cleaner. It's called Dirty Brush Cleaner, which I think is really cute. This is the second thing I got in my box, and it says Prismatic Pigment, and it looks like a white shade. So it's like shimmery. I don't know if you can kind of tell, but it's like a pink kind of shimmer. It doesn't say anything else on it, but I'm assuming you can use it as like a highlighter or like an eyeshadow topper. The third thing is super cute. I like the little dingle ball. You get a brush. So I got this fan brush. It's really pretty. It feels nice, and the holder, like the part where you hold it, it's like a unicorn horn. And looks like we got another brush. This one is a little bit thicker. I guess you can use it as like a foundation brush. Okay, this is the next thing I got in my box, and this says holographic lip gloss. It says, for best results, dab, don't swipe. Try over a favorite dry down lippy for a more intense finish. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So this is what it looks like out of the container. I think it says Ola Moonshine. Can't really read the writing. Yeah, it is like a holographic lip gloss. That's pretty cool. It doesn't really show up quite well on camera, but it's like very iridescent. It looks really cool. Oh, you guys, it's like 100 degrees in here. I'm like shiny and sweating. The next two things I got are some eyelashes. These are the Unicorn Lashes Insta Famous. The style is LOTD on this one. And then the style on this one is Forget Me Not. Those are super cute. I'm definitely gonna be trying these. Yeah, there's nothing else left in my box besides this green confetti. Okay guys, moving on to box number 2. This is the big boy. Oh yeah, this huge box we are gonna open right now. Ooh, this is very pretty. Look at that. I already see right off the bat the same kind of thing that we got in the first box, the prismatic pigment, only this one is a yellow one. I love these kind of pigments. You can put them over eyeshadow. You can add it to like your lip gloss. You can use it as a highlight. This is what it looks like on my arm. Oh, how cute. Okay, then I got this, and it says, inside this envelope is a small step to helping our environment and the bees. Once you grow these seeds into flowers, it can help the bees by giving them nectar to take back to the hive. Super cute. So I wonder what kind of flowers we got, which this is awesome because I'm starting to grow some stuff. I have some tomatoes out in the backyard that are growing, and I do not have a green thumb whatsoever. And then I have some basil. All of our lavender died, but this is going to be cool to try. So I'm excited for this actually. Okay, so wow, I have 4 false lashes in this box. So this one is called Hot Right Now. These ones, I don't know what these ones are because the sticker came off, but they're super cute. And then we got Unicorn Flutter, which are these ones. And then we got Flammy, which are these ones. So I'm really excited to have all these new lashes. Okay, next we have Stick It on Her eyelash applicator. So I got an eyelash applicator. This is a really nice heavy duty tool. Super excited about this. Next we have another holographic lip gloss. Okay, so this is what the component looks like. And it looks like it's more of like a white shimmer. Ooh, it's like a pinky purple, and you can definitely not see this on film. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it. Yeah, I like these. And then the last thing we got in that box is a palette. This is what the cover looks like. It's called the Totemic Palette. Okay, and it's got a mirror in it. And this is what it looks like. Stay tuned for a video with this palette. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please leave me some comments down below and let me know if you've tried this brand and what you got in your mystery box. I'd really like to compare and, you know, hear what you guys got as well. If you like what you see, please subscribe. You can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up here down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.